We're about to get on a ferry. Shelter Bay. We got here right on time.
Yeah.
So perfect.
Crazy.
Let's go.
What?
Yes.
What? I'll just stay in our... I could just sit in my vehicle and chill.
And we can just look out the window and just like...
Stupid.
Oh, I love these.
I love it.
Perfect time too.
Literally.
That was weird.
Perfect.
I'm glad you guys.
Cars are coming back. I'm like, we're gonna make it.
So great.
We're not gonna make it.
I thought the same thing too when I saw those cars.
The ferry leaves and we wait and then jump.
Like, we're gonna have to wait.
Yes.
We jump in the van.
Yeah, the van just sinks.
Just drops right off the.
What's on your face? Get it, Max. Get it. Uh-oh, we got it.
Clever.
He's like, I got it. I got it. He's like, get it, I got it. Oh, there you go, get it. There you go, get it, man. It's tight. It matches your sweater.
Oh, okay.
Cool. There's not much you can do.
Nope.
20 bucks. Perfect. Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
Are you gonna be okay, Jeff?
Yep. Are you gonna be okay?
Me?
Katie? I got it. Oh, here comes a big wave. A big one.
Oh,
Two big ones.
Oh,
okay, it's coming down. We gotta get in.
but babe, close your plug.
Oh my god, my plug.
Oh my god, your plug. Okay. Am I going anywhere? Oh yeah, okay.
You love me, let me go.
Woo! Here we go. Oh, bumps. Big bumps. Ah! Ah!
I'm like terrified right now.
Katie, go this way. Oh my gosh. It's fine. I'm handling it. You're rowing that way. I'm gonna tip. Oh my god. Oh, oh no. Oh gosh.
No.
Ocean kayaking right here.
No.
Why is it so wavy? This is amazing. Look at it. Now shut up. Should just see where we end up. You know? Just go with the literal flow. Let's go towards that dark cloud. I want to find the dog beach. Let's try to kayak up a river. Ah! I'm taking on water. Oh shit! Oh my god! Ah! Woo! Yeah, let's go.
What?
We're going to the river.
Up the river?
Don't do that. No. There's a, so, yeah, but there's a spot right there that it'll tip you over if you,
Tip me over?
if you are me. I just did it and it tipped me over, so. And like right where the ocean meets the sea, you know?
Where the ocean meets the sea. Oh my god.
Right where that happens, it just like, it was, there was like a deep part and then there was a shallow part and they just hit together. And it like, it's hitting you back and hitting you out at the same
That
time.
looks too dangerous.
So it definitely just flipped me.
Here we go.
Make sure you buckle it.
Yeah, I will. Look, I'll be fine. I'm fine, I got this. Face the way. Okay. Get out there.
Oh my god. There's so much water in here. Oh god. That's what I'm sitting in. I'm gonna drown, aren't I? Should I blow my whistle? Blow the whistle. I just gotta get right there. I'm so close. Oh god. Big waves. Still. They're coming. I tried a thing. I tried to do something. Yeah, I tipped over to like a completely.
Like on accident?
Yeah. And now there's like a ton of water in there.
Oh wow. Were you scared?
A little bit. Where'd my glasses go? I sat them right here.
Oh my god. Why?
I mean, I brought an extra pair.
Well,
Just in case I'm an idiot.
that's my problem.
It might have fallen off and then,
And then gone out the way.
well, good thing I brought that extra pair.
I don't see them floating anywhere out there in this area. And they would have just taken right out.
Yeah. You know, you always got to prepare for being an idiot.
Yeah, I didn't see them under there.
Because I can always guarantee that I'm going to do something stupid.
Katie, come over here.
Emily, you're in a wetsuit! I did it in this!
So, my wetsuit is not that tight.
Woo!
It's not that tight.
It's cool.
I don't know why. I can't breathe.
Emily, it does take your breath away a little.
Swear they holding on my you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. Oh, I don't wanna be.
What? I was just laying down.